Welcome guys to my channel. I bring you hot gist happening around our country. I brag different. Mercy boast as she flaunts her cars. Big Brother Naija 2019 winner Mercy AK has a few number of achievements to brag about. First, she is the first female to emerge winner of the Bbnaija reality TV show, receiving a grand prize of 60 million naira as the winner. She received 30 million naira cash prize and a total prize worth of 60 million, which included the Innosson car gift. Overwhelmed with this achievement, she took to her social media page on Instagram to shower appraisals on herself while also bragging about the cars in her garage. Mercy showed off her two cars, the Innosson SUV she received from the reality TV show as a gift, and her second car, a Mercedes GL450 SUV. A fan, however, condemned Mercy over the video, saying it was not right for her to show off or brag about that kind of thing. The fan wrote, "We Africans are so stupid. You brag about cars you bought with your money. So the person who owns the car company, what should he be doing? Don't brag with what you use your money to buy because it's by God's grace. Only brag with what you use your hands to produce." Guys, let me know what you think. Do you think Mercy shouldn't be bragging about her achievements or what? Just let's discuss in the comment section. Thank you.